What's going on, everybody? Gardening with Barchuckin, back at it. Today I'm in the garden, going to use some of this compost I made up. I'm going to actually turn some of this hard clay soil with a shovel, and then also with my garden fork. Then I'm going to shovel the compost on top of it and basically just let it sit there and start breaking down. I have another little project that I'm doing in the yard where I just recently purchased a Sun Joe dethatcher. So I'm going to get all the thatch, the loose grass clippings up out of the yard, and I'll either spread that on top of the garden or do a quick compost with that. So let me go ahead and show you what's going on. The guy I know at work made this for me out of a piece of steel and welded it to an old shovel. So just to show you what I'm working with, take the garden fork and start to loosen up the soil. Oh yeah. Come here, you. Another one. So, now I use the garden fork to loosen the soil up. I'm going to add the compost to the top of it. Okay, so now with this mulch being spread out, I have about a 3 to 4 inch layer in this area, and my old friend, their old galvanized cage is back. In the process of dethatching the yard, so I'm getting a ton of clippings. Small shredded up, you know, some brown, some green. So I'm just gonna throw it back in a compost pile and let that go, and then I'll be able to add that to another area of the garden. I'll show you what I have so far. So this is what I have so far from dethatching the yard. I dethatched the back area here and then the side of the house. So the back area, this area, and then up to the driveway. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget, comment, subscribe below, and I'll give you a quick little bonus. I'll show you how these green peppers and green beans are looking. They're looking awesome right now. So, check out that. Oh my gosh, get out of the way, leaf. It's as big as my hand. Zoom on this guy. And then the green beans. It took until either the beginning or the middle of August, but man, they started coming on, and they came on hard and strong. I just have loads. Every couple days I'm picking, and we just keep eating them, so that's pretty awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.